back at it again.
I got his ass.
He's nice.
Oh, he just jumped off.
He just jumped off.
You seen that, right?
I seen it.
You motherfucker.
You motherfucker. Jesus fuck.
We had a fight.
Ooh.
I've been there how long? I told you where to go at. Nice too. It's nice,
One on the line.
time to take the dog.
You got another one.
I had him. I know I had. Oh!
You got a reel. Remember, you got a smaller rod, not really meant for catching catfish,
Yeah,
but
no.
don't fight them. Don't fight them. Just slowly
This is a nice
reel them in.
size.
You got time. Don't want to fight them. That's how we lost the first one earlier. Don't want to fight them. Just remember, you got a bass rod. You're lucky you catching them. He just broke water up there. We got one on the ground flopping behind us. Oh man. Oh yeah, he's nice. That's a nice guy. Oh, we got another one on. Oh, he's hooked with him, and that's a monster. Hold on, y'all both can't keep reeling. Y'all can't keep reeling. Tyler, cut your bail. Cut your bail, Tyler. Go grab my, go grab that at the fish's mouth.
What?
What are we gonna do?
You got a measuring tape, right? Where is it?
Yeah, let's deal with this one first. Oh, damn.
There he is.
Look, there he is. Don't bring him right here. So yeah, you might as well.
No, I'm bringing him right here. Bam. Hell yeah, we all got fish.
All right, we'll bring him up. Look, we got one on there we just
Oh my
caught.
God.
Another one coming in. Tyler's personal best. Let's get a weight on it.
Yep.
Just about
Which
a
one's
little
mine?
under
One's still
7
flopping
pounds.
around?
A little bit under 7 pounds. Look, show the other two. There we go. All right, you can cut it.
Fucker, dude.
So look, we got another one. One more that we just caught and one we just caught. We couldn't even manage them all.
Yeah, that's a big motherfucker, bro.
Got to take y'all out, man. That's good. We caught all three of these within 3 to 4 minutes, no lie. That's a huge one. Gosh.
Yeah, I'll come
All right.
back. I'm about to see what size this boy is.
We got another
Thank you for
one.
breaking me. I appreciate it. Maybe I'll just see.
Yep.
I'll figure it out. I got it.
You got another one. Right
Well,
after I
know
took a
that.
shot of
I
Fireball.
appreciate you bringing me and stuff. We're having a good old time.
There you go. Bring him right up. That's a
Yeah,
nice
because I
little
don't even got much
2-pounder.
seed left. That's
Small.
why I wanted to come out.
Small guy. Look at this guy.
Another fish.
Oh yeah, it's another one. The small guy. There you go.
Three of us caught a fish within fucking 3 months of each other. We
Yeah.
had 3 fish.
It's been a good day so far. This is like the 5th
I'll have to
one.
send you-
He's on. We got
Oh,
another
yep,
one.
You got him. Give me tip. Give me tip.
Give me
Give you tip. Or give me the
Yeah,
tip?
give him the tip. Go ahead, give him the tip. Just the tip. What the fuck? Don't fight him.
There we go.
We got
Joey.
it.
That's what I'm fucking talking about, buddy.
It's the 6th one today. 2 for me, 3 for him, 1 for Tyler.
Nope, he's not on there no more.
He's not on there no more.
Yes, he is.
Yeah, he is. He's probably swimming with the
Yeah, they
current.
swim with the current sometimes.
Oh yeah, he's fine.
Oh,
That's a nice
fat
guy.
one, too. That's another channel.
Oh yeah, he's
Your
big.
ass up on land, bitch.
Fat fucker.
That's a
yeah,
personal
boy.
best for you.
Come here, come here. I
All
got
right.
you. Stay on me.
Another one. This is the 7th one today. He's fighting. Nice size guy too.
Nice little one, yeah.
Heck yeah. This is number 8. Number 8, back-to-back days. Follow me on Instagram, Maryland_angler20. Follow me on YouTube at Maryland.angler410. We just pulled one in about fucking 3 minutes ago. Here we got another one. There we go. There we go. Slaying the catfish. This is the 11th one. Oh, nice little guy. There we go.
Come here, you little bad.
Yeah.
Got him. Got him, bro.
Are you good? There he is. Congratulations. Hell yeah, man.
I told you this is where it
My
comes.
mom's like,
Y'all
oh,
been fucking
you're not going to catch
together.
nothing today. You're not going to catch nothing today. It's so windy out, it's cold.
It's the 5th one today. Number 7. Niggas done caught this one and a turtle all by myself. Let me get him back.